Just because you've been here before doesn't mean that you can't see more. Pretend you're an explorer and find wonders around each corner. Looked around, what did I find? Pretty flowers growing on a vine. You'll see beauty can be in any space. Just ask what's awesome about this place. Just how cool is that big boulder heading straight for my shoulder? Whoa. It might take a bit of practice, but you might just find a cactus.
These flowers look just like oranges.
Diesel, nothing rhymes with oranges.
You'll see their wonders all around you. Just ask what's awesome about this view.
Magic just might be magnified. Gotta keep your eyes open wide.
So much beauty and everywhere.
How do we not know that it was there?
You'll see when you look a little differently. Just ask what's awesome right next to me.